So it was like her caste was standard tribes or SC/ST something like that, और भी उस टाइम कोरोना आ गया एंड कोरोना ने सब कुछ खत्म कर दिया. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button. So those who don't know me, my name is Varsha, and today I thought कि let's start a new series, storytelling basically. So let's go back in 2018 when I was in 8th standard, and उस टाइम मैं newly shift हुई थी एक न्यू स्कूल में. अर्लियर आई वॉज इन ICSE बोर्ड, बट उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ कि तो बेसिकली माई फादर्स, सो बेसिकली वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड, he has given the advice to him that let's send these girls to a new place and new hostel. Honestly, hostel से जो मुझे इतना डर लगता था क्या बताऊँ मैं, but still my father got influenced by him, so he decided to shift me to a new hostel. तो till 5 मैंने एक स्कूल में किया, एंड उसके बाद फिर दूसरे जगह आई मूव, एंड उधर मैंने 6th में एडमिशन लिया. उसके बाद 6th में एडमिशन लिया, एंड फॉर 3 months आई हैव अटेंडेड देयर. आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, इतना ज़्यादा रोने लगे कि मुझे नहीं रहना हॉस्टल, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रह पाऊँगी, ये वो पूरा करके मैं आ गई फिर से पटना वापस. एंड ऑनेस्टली लाइक जब बीच में छोड़ते तो इट इज़ लाइक काइंड ऑफ इम्पॉसिबल टू गेट अ न्यू एडमिशन. जब तक मतलब ईयर ओवर ना हो जाए तो हम एडमिशन नहीं ले सकते. बट इन माई केस माई अंकल, सो बेसिकली ही हैज़ अ स्कूल, नॉट हिज स्कूल बट लाइक उसके कनेक्शन में था, सो ही हैज़ लाइक ओके आई गिव देम एडमिशन देयर. तो उन्होंने ले लिया, एंड उधर मैंने 6th छोड़ा, इधर 7th में एडमिशन लिया. मैंने 7th में एडमिशन लिया, एंड उसके बाद इट वॉज़ वेरी न्यू टू मी. एक्चुअली मैंने 1st September से ज्वाइन किया स्कूल को, एंड इट वॉज़ वेरी न्यू एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज वेरी न्यू टू मी. तो उसके बाद फिर 8th में सेक्शन चेंज हुआ, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स आई, एंड एट दैट टाइम इन आर क्लास, मुझे आज जहाँ तक याद है, वी हैव लाइक ओनली 4 girls इन आर क्लास एंड रेस्ट दे वर बॉयज़. So basically every time it was like the ratio of girls were very less as compared to boys. But 8th May when new girls came and like new people joined, so it was like equally. So I started kind of doing friendship with, because I was very alone, so I started ki let's do friendship with new girls, like it's okay. So basically there was a girl, let's name her Ruchita. So yeah, Ruchita was a girl, and I kind of felt like some bond with her. So we started sitting together and everything was like going very good. But उसके बाद क्या हुआ, तो 8th खत्म, 9th खत्म, and 10th, till 10th we were very good. We were very good friends. And like जब हम आते हैं, जब छोटे रहते हैं तो we are like, guys, oh I am saying, so basically I am Rajput, what about you, what are your caste, ऐसे हम पूछते हैं, ठीक है. बच्चे में पता नहीं बट पूछते हैं हम. तो she has like, I did not ask her, but उसने like सामने से ही बताया I am also Rajput. And तो she was like रुचिता रानी ऐसे करके था टाइटल. So she was like, also, I'm a Rajput. I was like, fine. Me too. I was also a Rajput. So I was like, okay, let's go. ऐसे करके. But she was not. So I don't know why did she lie about it, but it's okay, fine, because honestly it doesn't matter, right? तो उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ? तो when I never thought it would end, but it does. Like तो 10th खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद फर्स्टली वी हैव प्लान कि एक जगह हम जाके कॉलेज करें, मतलब नॉट कॉलेज, विल स्टार्ट. सो वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर JEE मीन्स इंजीनियरिंग. तो उसके बाद हमने साथ में सोचा था कि लाइक विल ज्वाइन इन अ सेम प्लेस और सेम कोचिंग. इट वॉज लाइक दैट. बट उस टाइम कोरोना आ गया एंड कोरोना ने सब कुछ ख़त्म कर दिया. सो बेसिकली इट वॉज लाइक ऑनलाइन मोड स्टार्टेड, एवरीथिंग वॉज इन ऑनलाइन. वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो आउट, नॉट फॉर anything else. You guys know about it, right? So 2020 आ चुका था and कोरोना भी आ चुका था हमारे साथ. तो then it started like going not in a very good way. So basically it started like we used to take online classes together only, and we have a meeting, Zoom meeting was there. तो basically we have a common teacher, like जो हमारे नैना में पढ़ाते थे हमको वही थे टीचर, केमिस्ट्री हम पढ़ाते थे, तो वही ही वॉज द ओनली टीचर who used to teach us chemistry in a Zoom meeting, and she was also there. Many of the people were there of our class only. So it was going like that, and feel like, you know, I don't know what happened. She started suddenly behaving very rude to me, and she stopped talking. That's it. She stopped talking. I was like, I don't know what happened. And abhi, not abhi, 1 year back, I think I have talked to her. उसके बाद फिर we were talking, and you know, like it was so funny. It is so funny. Like that is so dumb of her. So basically, okay, so I should not say, but so as I was talking about the caste, so it was like her caste was standard tribes or SC/ST, something like that, or obviously I don't know, I'm not sure though. So no, it was not like when I was preparing for J, I was like, oh my god, because you know we have that criteria for OBC it's like that, and we I belong to a general community, so it was very hard for me to you know, like suit that criteria or to eligible for that. And for them it was kind of easy as compared to us, right? It was like 30%, ours was like 90%, something like that. So मैंने एक status डाला था, ठीक है, and honestly it was not my intention कि किसी को इस status से hurt हो, but unfortunately she got hurt. And honestly क्या डाला था मैंने भाई, honestly सच में like मैंने ये सोच के नहीं डाला था कि I have to prove someone down or something like that. I did not want to do that. तो उसमें status में यही था कि like it's very hard for us to crack that, and for them it's very easy because they have less percentage required for them, and for ours it's like 90%, something like that. It was like that. As she got hurt, she took it personally, which was not my intention at all. And she started texting me like, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, why did you do that, you know, I have also prepared for that the way you did. I was like, that was not my intention, and I don't wanted to prove you like नीचे at all, even though I knew it कि like तुम हो पहले से ही, ठीक है. Still I was friends with you because for me not only, not for मतलब for everyone, it doesn't matter in friendship, right? But I don't know, उसका दिमाग थोड़ा सा क्रैक हो गया था, पता नहीं. She took it very personally, which was not my intention at all. उसके बाद फिर she started कि ऐसा तुम ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हो, why did you put that status, did you put that for me? I did not put that for you, even though I did not remember कि तुम हो वो caste. It was not my intention at all, but still fine, we don't care, I don't care about that. She did like drama बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ भाई, मुझे तो like कि सबसे पहले तो why should I mean, why would I lie about my caste? If I am something, if I'm not general, if I'm OBC, if I'm SC/ST, why would I lie? ठीक है, तुम झूठ भी बोली कि ओके आई एम राजपूत, ये वो, स्टिल अब मैंने स्टेटस डाला तो यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड उसके बाद इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट ओनली, सो हिज ब्रदर, ही वॉज ऑल्सो इन माई क्लास ओनली, एंड एट दैट टाइम तो वो इतना चुप रहता था भाई, मुझे तो पता नहीं था कि इसका बोल भी सकता है, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी साइलेंट. ही यूज्ड टू, I mean, he always shut his mouth in his class, never say a single word. I have not listened a single word from his mouth. Like, and suddenly he came, he started texting to me, what happened, oh, where did you do college? तो जब ये हुआ था तब तो मैंने शायद कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया था, and she also has taken the admission. तो उसके बाद he was like, it's okay, fine, but she got hurt. I was like, why did she got hurt? I did not put that status for her सबसे पहले तो. If she got hurt then also it's not my problem, it's her problem. मैंने उसको बोला कि भाई सबसे पहले तो उसने झूठ बोला. Why she has to lie about her caste? इतना ड्रामा हुआ, मुझे तो लाइक तो रो माता, आई एम हैप्पी माई ख़त्म हुआ। उसके बाद शी वॉज लाइक तो क्या हुआ, फिर इधर भी मुझे उससे बात हुई थी। आई हैव टॉक टू हर, like we were so best friends that everyone knows about it. Okay, they are besties, but we are not now. So we are not. Earlier it was like very, because I have also thought that she is a very nice girl, she is my bestie, and pata nahi suddenly maybe she was never a bestie. Maybe I have created that setup in my mind that she was, but she was not. I literally liked her, but it's okay. तो basically you know one more thing, तो जब हम हमारी क्लास हो रही थी, so there was a guy, let's call him Rahul. So there was a guy and he likes her, he literally likes her, and he was a very intelligent guy. I mean one of those, you know, topper वाला बच्चा जो हम कहते हैं कि he's the topper of this class. He was like that. There were two guys who were toppers, so I'm talking about one of that whose name is I've just taken it like a Rahul. So he used to like her, and you know, तो पहले ये होता था कि we have two sections. I don't know the name exact. It was like पता नहीं, नाम याद नहीं है मुझे section का. There was two sections. In one of the sections there were only boys, and in others we were like girls were also there, boys were also there. So one of the section was the reason behind it was to keeping all the boys together in one section was like they were very badmash. They were very very badmash honestly. And so hostlers को बोल दिया कि like एक कॉलेज में एक क्लास में रख देते हैं हम, and rest of the students who are good at study as well, we are in same class, we are in a different class, and the hostlers were in different class. And that guy which I'm talking about, he's a topper, it was in our class because obviously topper. And you know, when I was too scared from hostlers because वो सोचती थी कि लड़ने आ जाते थे, and I was a very very quiet child. I used to cry very easily for no reason. भाई इतना रोती थी मैं, बहुत ड्रामा करती थी. अभी तो शायद थोड़ा सा अक्ल आ चुका है मुझे, बट पहले तो आई वॉज सो डम, सो डम. छोटे छोटे बात पर रोने लगती थी मैं, ये करूँगी वो करूँगी. भाई लिटरली पता नहीं क्या हो गया. जब गई थी शुरू 7th में आई वॉज वेरी गुड एट स्टडीज, बट 8th में इट स्टार्टेड यू नो डिक्रीजिंग. And everyone was having a lot of expectation from me. Why did you do that? Why didn't you score full? I'm not a robot. भाई मतलब कि so we are 4 in our family, 4 children, and the most of the expectation was from me. तुझे full लाना है. You have to be the topper. I don't want to be the topper. I don't want to be. It was like that. And his boyfriend, so basically later they got in a relationship and blah 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 shit. And 10th तक चला, 9 से I think start हुआ था, 9 से 10 तक चला, उसके बाद खत्म. It got ended. And his boyfriend also texted me कि okay, which college did you took admission in, how are you? I am like shocked कि इतने सालों बाद उसने कैसे याद किया. And they were like literally इतना लड़ाई होता था, मुझे भी पता रहता था. मुझे तो मज़ा आता था ऑनेस्टली देखने में कि क्या क्या हो रहा है. ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ऐसे हो गया, वैसे हो गया. इतना ज़्यादा ड्रामा होता था, लाइक लिटरली मेरा तो दिमाग घूम गया था. भाई क्यों कर रहे हो इतना ड्रामा? बंद करो ना, या तो ख़त्म करो एक बार में ब्रेकअप. बट नहीं, आई हैव टू क्रिएट सम ड्रामा टू गेट सम sympathy, empathy, blah 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 shit. And she did it with his boyfriend. I did not like her. So once she started getting in that relationship, and the main reason behind getting into that relationship is like she was like, I want to, he's a very nice guy. Nice guy means here not a good looking, not at all. We are talking about he's very good in studies. So if he's good in studies, he can help me. So obviously भाई 10th आ रहा है, ठीक है, मुझे पढ़ना है अच्छे से. So we need something we need like someone who is better than us. He can teach us properly, right? So she took advantage of that thing and she was, let's get into a relationship. She got it. And he literally helped her a lot. पढ़ाई में तो ज़्यादा. Because the main reason behind getting into that relationship was studies only. मुझे इतना ड्रामा तो आज तक भाई मैंने ज़िंदगी में देखा नहीं था ऑनेस्टली. आई नेवर थॉट लाइक, सबसे पहले तो ये बहुत छोटी चीज़ है कि यू आर फाइटिंग ओवर अ कास्ट एंड यू वांट टू ब्रेक दिस फ्रेंडशिप, destroy this friendship on the basis of a caste, which you only lied about it. And you're expecting me कि why did you put that status? You should not. I did not put that status to make you feel uncomfortable at all. तो ये तुमको समझना चाहिए था सबसे पहले. It's okay, अभी तो बहुत हम आगे बढ़ चुके हैं. It's 2025. It's been like 5 years when we still she has my number, I have her number, but still we are not in contact. Because कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है ना. She is also in her college, I'm also in my college, and let's just do it, blah 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 blah. I don't care. So that's it for the story time. I hope you like it. मिलते हैं next video में कुछ upcoming story के साथ, because my life is not less than a movie actually. बहुत सारी stories है, but today I have started like, if you're liking it or not, if you would, then I'll start posting more and more stories like that. So